Other chapters that are coming?
Teacher didn't told, ma'am.
Okay, she didn't told. Okay, so you can let me know if there is something that I haven't taught and that is coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, students, I think we finished this one. We were doing multiplication. Okay, I think we did this the entire. We did this one. Two-wheeler. This. Tell me what was the last question?
Ma'am, add in the
We finished this.
We finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the average also, yeah, we finished this. Okay. Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now I think average concept, everybody remember that. Yes, average concept. Yes, you know the average concept. For example, student A scored 2, second scored 3, and the third one scored 5. So if I'll ask you what is the average, what you will do? 2 plus 3 plus 5 divided by how many students were there? 3. So it would be 10 by 3. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what average. Okay, now just come to the next question. You can see example number 6 over here. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so each side of a regular polygon is 2.5 centimeter in length. The perimeter of the polygon is 12.5. How many sides does the polygon have? Okay. So for example, if I give you this polygon, how many sides this polygon has? 4 sides, right? But if I ask you that one side is 2 centimeter, okay? If I'll ask you to find the perimeter, what you will do? 2 multiplied by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that will be 8 centimeter would be the perimeter. Yes, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but for example, if I give you something like this, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 side it is. If I say that one side is 10 centimeter, find the perimeter. So perimeter would be 10 multiplied by
6.
Yeah, 10 multiplied by 6. So the perimeter would be 60 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But in case if I give you this figure, for example, and I tell you that the perimeter is 100. Okay? I tell you that the perimeter is 100. Okay? And the one side is 15. For example. And I ask you tell me that how many sides it is. So 15 multiplied by n, because you don't know the number of sides. Then can you find the value of n from here?
Ma'am, 7.
7. Tell me, yeah, you tell me.
8, ma'am.
What you will do?
Ma'am, 15 into 8.
No. You don't have to find this. Just find the value of n. How would you find the value of n?
Multiply 15 and 100.
No. Whenever you have to find the value of something, you need to make it alone. So this n should be alone. Now you will send this 15 this side. So this 15 and n, they are in multiplication. Yes? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
See, whenever you have to find the value of something, for example, the n, you need to make it alone. Yes? So if you need to make this alone, you need to send this number this side. Then only this n will be alone, na?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, these are the student. This is student 1, this is student 2, this is student 3. And equals to, for example, 10. You need to find the value of this student. So one by one, you will send this. You will first send this one here and then this one here. So similarly, with n, you have only one number. So first you need to send this number this side. So if this 15 is in multiplication, that will come in division here. Okay. Whatever the answer, you will divide it, and whatever the answer comes, that will be your number of sides. Clear? Abu Bakar, you are getting it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what should we do after this 100 by 15?
Yeah, just divide it with 15.
Okay.
Okay, and get the answer. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a formula. If you need to find the perimeter, the formula is perimeter equals to number of sides multiplied by value of one side. Value of one side. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Write down this formula. If I ask you to find the perimeter, then it's very easy. Number of sides. For example, there are 5 sides and one side is 10 centimeters. So your total perimeter is 50 centimeters. But in case if perimeter is given, for example, 100, number of sides is not given. Right? So you will write n here and value is given, for example, 10. Right? You need to find this n. This 10 will go this side. It will be 100 divided by 10. And the answer is 10. So number of sides is 10. Got it? The third scenario can be perimeter is given and number of sides is given 6. But the value of one side is not given. Right? So you can take it x, then 100 divided by 6. You will divide it, you will get the value of x. Fine? So if anything is missing, just remember this formula and find the value. So quickly write down this formula.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So can you find this question now? This one. Each side is given to you. The value of each side. Right? The perimeter of polygon is this. You have to find the n. I think you can do it. Right? No, yes. What is the formula? Perimeter equals to number of side multiplied by each value of each side. Right? So what is given? Perimeter is given. Each side is given. You have to find the n. Okay? So you will divide this. You will get the n.
Ma'am, with what should we divide? 2.5 and 12 by
12.5 divided by 2.5.
Should we write the statement?
Yes. Each side of a regular polygon equals to this. Perimeter of the polygon is this. Then number of sides equal to, remember this formula. Number of side equals to perimeter divided by each side of polygon. Each side of polygon and here perimeter of polygon. Fine.
Ma'am, what is the first statement?
The first statement would be uh, each side of a polygon is this.
Ma'am, what about the second statement?
Then the perimeter of a polygon equals to this.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Everybody? Abu Bakr, you are also done? Abu Bakr. Okay, I'll just wait for 1 more minute, then we'll discuss. Okay?
None.
Okay, so what you people got?
Then
Ma'am?
5?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now this one, you have to find the average. A car covers a distance of 89.1 kilometer in 2.2 hours. So what is the average distance covered in 1 hour? So what you will do, you will simply divide it. You know that, right? And you will get the answer. Fine. So you will write distance covered by the car equals to this, and the time taken by the car to cover the distance equals to this. So what you are going to write? Distance covered by a car equals to this, and time taken by a car equals to this. Clear? And then you will write average distance covered by car in 1 hour equals to total distance divided by time taken. Okay, you will get the average.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abu Bakr, you are also done?
Ma'am, I do not understand.
Sorry?
I did not understand.
Okay, I'll wait. Finish it.
No, ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay, see Abu Bakr. What you need to do, you need to find the average. Okay, so whenever you have to find the average, there is a formula to find the average. First formula I told you added and divided by the number. But in case if they ask you to find average distance covered or something, it will be total distance divided by total time taken. Total time taken. So what is your total distance? The total distance is 89.1. Yes. Divided by 2.2. You will simply divide it and get the answer. Clear? Yes. Priyanka,
Yes,
you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Abu Bakr, do this. Divide it simply and then tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this answer there is decimal, right? Can you show how it come?
Yeah. Okay. I'll show. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, for the decimals, is it like same? You have to take like from 2.2 and 89.1. You have taken one dots, and then after that, when you get the answer, you just put 1 2.
Yes. See, I'll do it here. Have a look. See, it was 89.1 divided by 2.2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I can write it 89 by 1 divided by 10. Divide 22 by 10. Yes. Can I? Till here it's fine. I remove the decimal only. Na? I wrote 22 by 10 now. Now after this, 891 divided by 100 multiply by 10 upon 22. Fine?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
2, 0 and 0 got cancelled. Okay. Now you can divide these two. Okay. 891 divided by 22.
Ma'am,
Okay.
40.
Okay. So you got 405. Yes.
Ma'am, how?
What you will get after solving this?
I got 40.
40.
Yeah.
Multiply 22 with 40. What will be your answer? 2 zeros are 0, 0, 0. 4 twos are 8 and 4 twos are 8. It would be 880. How come this? Tell me. See, I am doing it. Have a look. 22 should be multiplied by which number, that it will give me 89. Okay. So of course there is nothing. 22 4s are 80. 22 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. So I write 4 here. So I got 88. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I bought this one here. You got it one here. I bought it here. You cannot divisible. So you wrote it here 0. Here. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Then after this, I'll put here 0. So if you put a 0 here, you get a decimal. Here.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
22 should be multiplied by which number, that it will give me this. 5. 22 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, 11. So you wrote here this 110. Clear?
Ma'am, at 110, how did 0 came?
This 110, see. 11, can you divide it with 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
In 22 table, 11 comes?
No, ma'am.
No, that's why you put it a 0 here. Right? When you put a 0, you write a decimal here. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? See. This is a question of division. For example, 27 divided by 2. Okay? So 2 ones are 2 and then 7. Then 2 threes are 6. What is the remainder? 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you divide this 2 with 1?
No, ma'am.
No. So you will put a 0 here. And you will put a decimal here. Then 2 fives are 10. 0. So this will be your answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever a number is not divisible by something, you put 0 here. And then you get the answer. Clear?
Ma'am, so we can further solve it until 0?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In some cases, you will not get the actual answer. Then leave it after 2 decimal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now in this scenario, see. It was 891 divided by 2.2. Yes. Now
Yes.
I wrote it like this. 891 by 10 divided by 22 by 10. Then I wrote this. 891 divided by 10 multiply by 22 multiply by 10 by 22. So this 10 and 10 got cancelled. Now what is left? 891 by 22. Yes. Now you will simply divide it and you will get the answer. Fine.
Is that 10 is compulsory, ma'am?
Yeah, that's why the decimal and decimal will be cancelled. Na?
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? In case if it is not cancelled, how would you got 89 by 22? Where this decimal went? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Abu Bakr, now it's clear? Abu Bakr, is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you people got it and you got the answer as well, which is 40.5. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's just move to the exercise. I think the first exercise, the first one we finished. Tell me the first question we finished or not? No?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am? Ma'am? We
Yes.
finished the third one.
We finished which one? Question number 1?
Question number third one, ma'am.
Question number 3rd?
Yeah.
Not question number 1 and 2?
I wrote.
I don't think 2.7 divided by 100 we did. Is this the same question?
Not this one, ma'am. Can't find,
No, check the question. Is this 2.7 divided by 100?
No, ma'am.
No, na? Okay, okay. Then we'll just start with the question number 1. Okay. So now question number 1, you will do all the parts. I've already told you how to do and what to do, right? Everybody knows na how to divide. Anyone who don't know how to divide? Tell me anyone who don't know how to divide. No, na? Everybody knows, right? So you will do this question number 1, all the parts, and we'll discuss that.
Ma'am, actually we did last class 1 to 3, first 3.
First 3.
Yeah.
Abu Bakr, we finished it. You have written this in the question. Okay, then if we have finished, let's just start with question number 4.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
all the parts.
The first one 3.
First one 3. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Then complete 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th till here and then we'll discuss the answer.
Okay.